Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how we like to cook our creme supreme. First off, let me show you all the ingredients and utensils you will need to make the perfect bowl of creme supreme. You'll need your creme supreme, whey protein of your choice, and a measuring jug with some cold water. It's that simple. Now for the utensils. You'll need a bowl. Pro tip, we recommend a large size bowl to make it easier when mixing. You'll also need a small kitchen scale and a microwave. Perfect, now let's begin. For the first step, use a scale and a large bowl and start off by measuring out about 50 grams of creme supreme. Step 2. Add 200 ml of cold water and stir until partially mixed. Step 3. Put your bowl of creme supreme in the microwave for 30 seconds. Step 4. Remove your bowl from the microwave and continue mixing your creme supreme. Now, don't be alarmed at this point. It's supposed to be a bit runny, but it'll thicken up as we go along. Reason for that is so that the creme supreme also cooks through without creating any lumps. Now for step 5, you're going to repeat steps 3 and 4 while checking on your creme supreme frequently without completing the full 30 seconds in the microwave. Stopping once your creme supreme has reached a slight runny texture as shown. The bowl can get a little bit hot, so just be careful of that. Step 6. Now you can add 1 scoop of your whey protein of choice to your creme supreme. You'll start to see that the whey protein is absorbing the excess water, leaving you with a smooth, pudding-like consistency. A few things to note. If your creme supreme starts to get lumpy or dry, you can always add more water to the mix while cooking to smooth it out. If your creme supreme is still too runny, you can always put it back in the microwave for a few seconds until you reach the consistency of your desire. And that's how you make the perfect bowl of creme supreme. Thank you for watching and enjoy your creme supreme!